So you have a great business idea and you're ready to get started. But before you launch your business, there are a few things you should do first. In this video, we'll take you over 5 of the most important things to take care of before you start your business. Number 1. Have a business plan. Before you launch your business, it's essential that you have a business plan in place. This document will outline your business goals, strategies, and how you plan on achieving them. A business plan will help keep you on track and make sure that your business is heading in the right direction. It is also a valuable tool for raising investment capital or securing loans from the banks. If you are not sure where to start, there are many resources available that can help you create a business plan. You can also hire a professional consultant to assist you. Number 2. Do your research. Before you launch your business, it is important to do your research. This includes understanding your target market, your competition, and your industry. You need to know who your target market is and what needs they have that you can fill. You also need to research your competition and understand what they're doing well and where they're lacking. Number 3. Find a niche market. When you're starting a business, it's important to find a niche market. This is a group of people with specific needs that your business can address. There are a few ways to go about finding your niche market. First, you can look at your own interests and skills. What are you passionate about? What do you excel at? These are both good places to start when finding your niche market. You can also look at the needs of your potential customers. What problem do they have that your business can solve? Once you've identified a need, you can create a product or service that meets that need. Number 4. Get financing. Before you launch your business, it is important to have a solid financial plan in place. This means that you will need to find ways to finance your business. There are many different ways to finance a business. You can use your own savings, take out loans, or raise money from investors. You will also need to create a budget for your business. This budget should include all of the costs associated with launching and running your business. And number 5, create a marketing strategy. Before you can create a marketing strategy, you need to know who your target audience is. What are their demographics? What are their interests? What are their needs? Once you have a good understanding of your target audience, you can start to create content that will appeal to them. If you are a business beginner, then must watch this video and learn how to write a business plan for your startup.